Hey everybody, just kind of wanted to do a quick little video of a modification. In my walk around video, I'd mentioned, and you know what, if you own a Maverick Trail, if you've even been researching a Maverick Trail, you know the back tires where they stick out so dang far, just how they flash up mud and water and everything else up into the bed, up into the cab. It's a problem. Everybody knows it. Well, this is a little $13 fix. You know, I don't know if these are exclusive to any auto parts store in particular. I bought these at O'Reilly Auto Parts. They're about $13. It's just their large splash guard. Now, I wish I could say I came up with this idea, but I did not. I stole this idea from a Facebook page member. It's such a simple thing. It's like, oh my gosh, why didn't I think of that? Yeah, go to O'Reilly's, buy these mud flaps. They're about $13. They even come with mounting hardware. There really isn't anything to it. You put them where you want them, and yeah, you're gonna have to drill holes or screw holes in the plastic. That's just how it is. But you put them where you want, and you screw them in place. Now I trimmed mine just a little bit because there is this little bit that hangs down the bottom of the machine here. So I trimmed a little bit just to go around it so that I could get it flat up against the bottom here. Got, I think, 3 screws in it total. I didn't want to come back too far because I still need this to be the furthest point back, but I tried to come as close to the back end as I could with them. Like I say, it's up to you where you want to put them. And then, just try to cover as much tire as you can, you know, screw them in place. And I can tell you, getting the first one on is really easy. Getting the other side to match this side takes a little more time. I mean, that's the hardest part, is getting the second one to match the first one. But, yeah, that is it. That is a $13 modification that is worth its weight in gold. I mean, I've already had it out in the mud once, and they certainly do their job. If you've ever been out in the mud and water with these things, it takes about 10 seconds to completely cover these taillights and this whole thing with mud. I was out in the mud, taillights stayed clean. You know, I still get a little, and I still had a little bit up in the bed, but nothing like before. It makes just a huge difference. Anyway, like I say, I wish this was my idea, but it isn't. I stole it. Just sharing it with you guys. Doesn't look too redneck, I don't think. It's fine, but it works. You know, there's flares available. There's all kinds of things now that are becoming available, but they're expensive, and they add width to the machine. You know, you put these where you want them. You know, they don't add any width, but you still get your tire coverage. Anyway, there you go. Just thought I'd share. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like button. You know what? And subscribe if you like what you see. And appreciate you guys watching.